These are pretty sick. These are just the door hinge pins from an old house that I was remodeling. They have a cool little bump on the end, which helps with the whoopsie, like half spin throws. Not the best, but they're pretty sick and they were free, so. This is pretty cool, actually. Look at this. I've never really seen this before. Isn't that awesome? It's pretty good times. Anyways, yeah, just another salvage, scrap, recycle, ninja stuff. Here we go, just another angle, maybe a little better. Better just throw a couple from a different angle. Same deal. Half spin. They all stuck that time, but one fell out, and one looks like it's gonna fall out. They got it in there. I mean, you can see like this one's freaking in there. That one's in there pretty good. These ones kind of hit at a little angle, but they still stuck. Clearly the one that came out didn't stick very much, but I mean, it still hit the tip. Just the tip. Good times, yeah.